Ho, 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 and welcome to day 15 of the ARPEDIO Christmas Countdown. Thanks again for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed yesterday's question, which was, how do sellers get to spend more time doing actual selling? Well, the answer is spending less admin time. And wouldn't that be a great Christmas gift to all sellers? I know I'd like that. Which now would bring me to another knock-knock joke. We haven't had one for a while, so let's bring one in. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Howard.
Howard who?
How would you like me to help deliver all these Christmas presents? Ha 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 ha! Now it's time for the question of the day. How can ARPEDIO Solutions accelerate the onboarding sales process? Best of luck. See you tomorrow.